Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove members from Trello boards. So the first thing that you'll need to do is simply go to trello.com and hit the enter button. And that will take you to the home screen basically once you're logged in into your account. Of course, if you have an account, make sure to log in into it. And if you don't, go and create an account. Now, you'll have to go and access a board that have the member or that has the member that you want to simply remove from that board. Let's say, as an example, in this board. So at the moment, in this board, I have no members. So if I go here to members, I'm the only member there. But as you can see, I'll find the leave button here if I want to leave this board. So let's say as an example, I want to invite some. Of course, I will be able to invite. Let's say I'll be able to invite using the name or email address. Let's say someone has this email address, test@gmail.com. And of course, I'll have to click on it and click on send invite and invite this person. Once it is invited, as an example, of course, if it's accept or if the person accepts, they will be able to see this board on this specific workspace. Of course, you can add them to all the boards that you want or remove them. It's totally up to you. So if you want to remove someone from a board, all you need to do is just go and click on remove right here. As you can see, you can remove a person from workspace, which will give it or remove it from all access to all the boards, in example, or their boards in the workspace, and they will receive, of course, a notification because they will be removed from the board. So if you want to go and do it, just go and do it. So they are removed from the workspace, so they will not be able to access any of the boards. So that's how you remove members from Trello board. That's going to be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.